I'm just about getting ready to set all these toms up and give them a tune. These two have got the clip style mounts. I've been given this, but the down tube's 1 1/8 inch, so I've got no stand to put it into. So I've had to think like Ray Mears, and I've got my drum throne and a bit of masking tape. So with the tube in there now, I have a stand that should get me out of trouble. The set of concert toms I've been working on are finally finished. They've come out really nicely. Gloss black finish. We've got 8, 10, 12, 13 and 14. I had to do a lot of work on the interiors on them because they're the 70s versions with the big re-rings and they were fairly beaten up. But if you look in there underneath, all the edges are now sorted and look really nice. The only thing that's not original is the badge position, but I put them in a position where they look nice and balanced going across them. An interesting thing on the 8-inch drum was that the outer ply was actually a birch radial grain finish. Although it still has the re-rings, I think it may have been a Superstar shell, but who knows. Now I'll give them a whack and get them in tune and see what they sound like. I don't own any concert toms myself, so I don't really know what I'm doing in terms of tuning, but I've been playing about with it, and this is what they sound like. They're really fun to play.